In StairDesigner 7, it's now possible to edit the shape of a string board within StairDesigner. We no longer have to export the DXF file and edit in a CAD program. So let's see how to do this. First, within StairDesigner here, let's open up a new stair. Let's take a simple quarter turn stair, and let's just set the quarter turn, limiting the winders to just the quarter turn. So we just put a straight step either side of the quarter turn. Now let's have a look in 3D what this particular stair will look like. You can see the stair in 3D here. Let's apply a manufacturing method that is going to change the materials, but what I really want to see is I want to see the strings as not curved strings, which is the default setting here, but as straight per parts. So I'm just going to apply this manufacturing method, which changes the materials with strings which have got straight lines on them instead of curves. So we've got straight lines on all the strings here. And type of stair, I would just like to here put a straight string on this side. We have a straight handrail already, and let's put a straight string here. So now the strings are straight, and the outside of the stair, the right hand side of the stair, is looking quite good. I mean, that's how I would like to build it. Very sleek straight lines and very efficient manufacturing. However, on the other side of the stair, the strings do not look fantastic. I would prefer to see a nice sweeping curve which ends at the joint line here at right angles on a level and top and bottom, and with a curved point here. So how do we do this in StairDesigner? Let's open a 3D 2D window so we can see both 2D and 3D at the same time, and we can see what's happening on our 3D model while we edit our string. How do we edit the string? Well, we go into View String Boards menu, and then we have the string board elevations here. So now we can see this is the string board I'd like to edit, this one here. Double clicking on this string board brings up the points I can now edit. These points can be now edited, and we can insert splines instead of straight lines. To do this, for instance, I'm going to just click on one of the points here, and we can see there's two control points which appear, one here in little circles, and I can now drag these control points, and by dragging the control points, StairDesigner will draw a spline that is now tangent to the curve here. If I want to make this control point into a curve, I could just click right, and then in the menu choose Smooth Vertex. I can smooth this vertex so it's tangent to the right and the left hand side, and now we've got a nice curve here moving down. Let's do the same here. What I would like is this point here, a curve to appear tangent to the horizontal point here. So if I click here, control points appear. I can grab one of the control points. If I move it up at a certain moment, it's going to snap to the horizontal. I can see slope 0 appear, which means it's going to be actually tangent to the horizontal. This one here, I can click right, smooth vertex, smooth to the left and the right hand side, and then we've got that nice gentle smooth curve going from the bottom to the top, now drawn as splines, so it's a really nice smooth curve. So that's how you actually can set up, adjust and tweak your string boards, make a very nice smooth sweeping curve now without having to rely on StairDesigner to make those curves. Thank you for looking. Goodbye.